Insane to hear that and see that. Every time you see it, it just never gets old. Well, Rob Ryder, just a few more moments away here from the next part of our show, which we'll be telling you all about here in just a few seconds. But a big thank you. A big thank you to our friends at Moog, the world's premier designer, manufacturer, and integrator of flight control systems for military and commercial aircraft. Moog is positioned today on virtually every aircraft in the marketplace. And thanks to our friends there at Moog.
Head on over to the Officers Club for food and music provided by DJ Lightning Clap. Open to the public from 5 till 11.
I heard he's got something to do with the F-35.
It might be.
Yeah, I did. I heard that he's a hotshot pilot, maybe. We'll see. Anyhow, it's going to be fun tonight. Lockheed Martin is at the forefront of innovation. With the front lines to the skies, they're building the impossible. Learn more at LockheedMartin.com.
USAA has been proudly serving the military community for 100 years.
Thank your military members for all their courageous work. Let's hear it for all the brave heroes out here. Valvoline says thank you.
Prevail Legal. Save up to 40% on court reporting costs with Prevail.io. Modern solutions for legal professionals. That's Prevail.io.
Also, big thank you to our friends at Collins Aerospace, proudly supporting the armed forces for more than 80 years. Learn more at collinsaerospace.com/aerostructures.
It's getting ready.
AT&T is San Diego's largest wireless network. Visit att.com to see offers for new and existing customers. Stop by our booth to learn more.
I want to thank again our friends at Lockheed Martin. Shared commitment to fight, evolve, and win. Lockheed Martin and the Marines continue to protect the skies and the sea with the advanced capabilities of the
This weekend at Miramar Air Shows are some Hangar 24 favorites like their classic orange wheat, crisp American light, and refreshing Mango Island IPA. Look for the Hangar 24 banner at today's air show and enjoy 100% American-made craft beer.
Just talking about Collins Aerospace earlier, you know, Rob, they also make structural components for both the F-15, the F-16, the F-22, the C-5s, the C-390s, and the P-8s. Next generation aircraft and vertical lift. Learn more again at collinsaerospace.com/aerospace. We will likely see the world famous Miramar FOD squad as well. They'll be coming out here to do some formation FOD sweeping demonstrations for us. And you know what's really cool about this, Rob Ryder? We have some great folks on board. Those FOD sweepers today: Terry Charleston, Violet Reed, and Ann Snyder making up the Miramar FOD squad team today. That'll be a lot of fun here to see them out in just a few minutes. Always a crowd favorite. We're looking forward to it as well.
Now, for those of you who may not be familiar with the term FOD, well, it's some people call it foreign object debris, some people call it foreign object damage, but it could be as little as a small pebble in the middle of the runway that gets sucked into the intake of a very expensive jet engine like the GE F414 engines on the Super Hornet aircraft. That could possibly actually FOD out or destroy an engine.
You don't want that.
No, we surely don't. So we'll be looking for those vehicles to come out here in a little bit as we work our way up to time with the F-22 Heritage and the F-22 demo from the United States Air Force and the Heritage flight.
Yeah, do I see on here a repeat from Hot Streak? We're going to have another run.
Actually, yes, he's going to do a run all by himself. He's not going to have to race anybody.
That's going to be a lot of fun. Well, we're just looking now, ladies and gentlemen, down there to the far end of your viewing area, if you will. You will see not one, not two, but yes, ladies and gentlemen, 3 of the finest FOD sweeping trucks you've ever seen. 34 horsepower apiece on just the sucking motor alone, making this the most exciting team here at Miramar 22 Studios. So yes, folks, make some noise for your Miramar 2022 FOD sweeping demonstration.
We're going to make sure that there's nothing left on the runway. And because of the talent of the 3 ladies who are going to be driving...
Well, not just 2 ladies, 1 man. Terry Charleston, Violet Reed, and Ann Snyder out there. 2 white, 1 yellow, like we talked about yesterday. The yellow truck, solo truck out there. 2 white trucks. They'll be making up the formation side. Let's watch it as they line up here. We should see a wave, and then they saw this, and I'll tell you what, Lester just absolutely speechless. We're going to see the Hoover Hunt. The final tournament, I think.
And we're about to see also the vacuum double on top.
There you go. All right, they're lined up. They're waiting. Let's just see their roll right up there down the left-hand side, cleaning up all of the debris left behind from your United States Marine Corps Magnet. We saw it earlier today. Wow, I think it's time we played their music. Here they go. They're off and running. Literally at the speed of smell. What's the first maneuver we're going to see here, Rob?
The first one, I think it's going to be a blade maneuver as the outboard vehicles will search for any obvious pieces of fog left over from all that demonstration, pyrotechnics demonstration. They could very well cross the opposite sides of the runway.
Well, that's what Terry's doing right now. Do you see him out there in the yellow truck? Sneaking around to the left. Making it look like a drunk Roomba, but no, it's not. It's all precise. Because they practice this every single day. They're keeping these levels tight.
Winter training here at San Diego is, they have to have about at least 130 training runs before they get their first public demonstration during the airtest.
That's right. Their patch, of course, proudly says, we suck. That's all it says. And they do. 34 horsepower apiece on the back of the engine that suck all of that fire out from the engine truck. That's an important part of safety here.
Being very, very careful not to exceed their maximum sucking speed.
That's right. You got to keep it slow. You got to keep it right down there low.
Watch this anticipation.
That must be fine. Rally right through the needles. Oh, yeah. Man, that was nice.
If the two engines were touching that would be a center point nice.
I'm telling you what, they practiced so hard here. Now watch this change up. Our solo's still running down the lead. The lead following back around the back quarter here to the back stretch. Now this part right now, they do it, and you can't hear the hit maneuvers inside. But what you would hear on the radio that they use is that boss calling out the channel, if you will. That's just what it sounds like before they call the turn.
Well, if they were to do that, I'll tell you what, let me see if I can set up and make
Let's try. All right, let's give this out. Let's try. What's it sound like? Stand by. That's kind of what it sounds like. Yep. That would be Terry or Violet out here in the lead. Now what do we have? We need to go live in cockpit with pod number 1 and just see what they sound like. Okay, let's get ready to move and cross over to standby. Break ready now. And there we go. Again, our pod speaking team today made up of Terry Charleston, exercise now, the official formation part of it's over. We'll see them continue their work out there as we bring in the Hercules right back here on the left. Rock Riders, this is a huge airplane, but it's fun to just get some heavy done.
Yes, been around serving the United States Marine Corps, the United States Navy. As a matter of fact, believe it or not, with this about 139-foot wingspan, I think, back in 1964, Lieutenant James Flatley actually was tasked with doing some landings on an aircraft carrier. They did it on, I believe, the Forrestal, 29 character non-arrested landings Miramar, but they have been upgraded with the new super brushes. With the Gen 5 brushes, yeah, it's a new generation brush. B-52. Now, these guys are aging. The trucks are aging, but the equipment is kept in tip-top shape by the maintenance professional here at their house.
We just love watching the pod team out there. They do such a great job every single time we see them. How about that C-130 coming back? Look at that. Got the skull and crossbones on the tail there. That would strike fear in the heart of an enemy, I would think. Rob, don't you?
Yeah, I guess so.
I mean, unless
they could see it.
Unless like Johnny Depp came out of the back of that pirate suit. that might be a little fun. You never know what happens with that. But it's going to be a good time nonetheless today, and we're looking forward to seeing not only the Blue Angels fly this afternoon in the F-22, but the Hot Streak jet truck's going to be back for a run, plus Rob Holland. And then, as you like to say, your United States
Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron, the Blue Angels.
The Blue Angels.
We'll shriek it out later, and everybody get a chance to encourage the Blues.
It's going to be a great time. That's just remarkable. I haven't been using a vacuum that long, but if I did, 34 horsepower, that'd pull the carpet right up, wouldn't it?
Well, it's
That'd pull the ugly right up out of your house. That's what that would do.
well, I've never heard that term before.
Yeah, Kevin LaRosa, you ought to go out there and film that sometime. That'd be your next IMAX